Hello guys, I am glad and so happy to be making this video for you today. I know it will really help you a lot and increase your knowledge about making money online. In this video, I am going to show you how to start an online business, or I am going to show you the major online businesses that is known all over the world. Choose which any of these online businesses you like and start working for your future. I am G Instruct, and I want to help you make money online. Let's start. An online business is just like any other kind of business you see or know where buying and selling takes place. The difference here is online businesses are conducted or carried out online. You only buy and sell online in online business. There are globally 5 categories of online businesses. Whatever business you see on the internet or online falls into one of the 5 models of online business I am going to show you now. The 5 categories are: 1. Content creation, 2. Affiliate marketing, 3. Freelancing, 4. Online store, and 5. SaaS service. These are the main groups of online business which everybody working online falls into. Let me explain further what these online business means so you understand it better. First, content creation. Content creation is the process of generating topic ideas or information that appeal to your audience, and then making that information accessible to your audience as a blog, video, infographic, or other format. When you create content, you're providing free and useful information to your audience, attracting potential customers to your website and retaining existing customers through quality engagement. Let's look at types of content creation. The first is blogging. Blogs are meant to educate, entertain, and inspire your audience through the written word. When someone types a query in Google, the posts that pop up are usually blog posts. Second type of content is podcast. Podcast, one of people's types of content to consume, are like listening to the radio, except a dedicated podcast host talks about dedicated topics, has guests, etc. These are especially interesting to listen to when the audience likes the host and wants to learn something from listening. Third is video. One type of content creation, the kind you're consuming right now, actually, is video. Whether you want to post videos on social media or YouTube, creating a video is one type of content creation that becomes more popular as the years go by. Short form and long form videos both have their place in your content creation strategy, so it's important to come up with ideas for this type of content. Fourth subcategory is graphics. In your blog posts or in your social media posts, you might want to post original graphics. These can be infographics, animations, etc. This type of content creation usually requires a graphic designer, or at least a graphic design tool to help you get the job done. The fifth is content offers. Another type of content is content offers. These are templates, white papers, worksheets, or ebooks that your audience can download. This is gated content, meaning your audience will need to fill out a form and provide their email to have access to it. So those are the categories of content creation. Now you may ask, isn't online business about making money? How do I make money by making free content? The answer is simple. One of the ways you can make money with free content is through affiliate marketing, which simply means selling products that are not yours and receiving commissions after successful sales. You can also make money by using Google Ads on your blog or YouTube ads on your YouTube channel where you upload video content you create. The next category of online business is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply selling someone's product online and getting commission whenever you make sales. If you want a full guide on affiliate marketing, or you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check description for link to the video. Affiliate marketing is a fast-paying online business you can start with only your mobile phone and little or no capital. Like this video if you really like it, and share it with your friends. The next category of online business is freelancing. Freelancing is one of the best ways to make money online. With freelancing, all you have to do is offer a skill that you are good at, find people who need your skill and get jobs to do and get paid, all from the comfort of your home. There are numerous freelancing sites out there where you can make money online, but the top ones are Fiverr and Upwork. Let me give a brief explanation of these freelancing sites. First is Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that enables freelancers showcase their skills and find clients. It is a very popular freelancing website. If you have any skill that is relevant, you can find jobs here. The way Fiverr works is very easy. You create a gig about a particular skill that you do and how much you charge for it. People looking for that skill contact you for jobs. They order your gig, pay money into Fiverr escrow, you do the job, once finished you get paid. Fiverr is secure, they have huge reputation and a large network of clients and freelancers. If you want to register as a freelancer on Fiverr, check the link in the description below. Next is Upwork. Upwork is a very popular freelancing platform. This platform is popular among clients and freelancers. Whether you are a writer, programmer, marketer, or whatever relevant skill you have, you can use it to make money on Upwork. It works in a very easy way. A client posts a job, you bid for it. If the client selects you, he pays money into Upwork escrow and you get to work. After the job, you get paid. The genesis of Upwork was the merger of the two biggest freelancing platforms, Otisk and Elance. There are over 12 million freelancers and 5 million clients using Upwork. The platform is secure, has reputation, and has a large network of clients and freelancers. Freelancers make up to $1 billion every year on Upwork. If you want to register and start making money with your skills, then check the description below to register. Give me a like on this video and share it with your friends if you think I am providing value to you. The next category of online business is online store. Just like every other store you know, an online store is a store where you buy and sell over or through the internet. Dropshipping is an example of an online store where people get products from other companies and sell to consumer. Major examples of an online store are Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, and Etsy. There are lots of online store out there. In this category of online business, you simply make money by selling. Guys, the next category of online business is SaaS, also known as software as a service. Software as a service, or SaaS, is a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. Examples are Netflix, Canva, Dropbox, Visum, G Suite, HubSpot, etc. How do someone make money with SaaS? Take Netflix as an example. You have to pay a monthly fee to get access to the videos you watch. Netflix, being a SaaS service, makes money from subscriptions of their users. So guys, these are the major categories of online business. Hope you've learned a lot. If you have any question or contribution, I will be happy to see it in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified whenever I release a new video. Don't forget, G Instruct loves you. Goodbye.